Hello guys, welcome to our channel Study Lovers. My name is Hardik Yadav and I am back with another exciting video of current affairs. In this video, I will tell you the current affairs of 9 January and 10 January 2022. One thing you have to tell in the comment section, how was you like the way of teaching current affairs in this video. Here is the first current affair, then its key point, and then is image related to this current affairs. Please tell me in the comment section. First, Union Minister Jitendra Singh inaugurated India's first open rock museum in Hyderabad. Key point, Union Minister of State for Science and Technology Dr. Jitendra Singh inaugurated India's first open rock museum in Hyderabad on January 6, 2022. Second, KVIC launches country's first mobile honey producing van at Ghaziabad. Key point, India's first mobile honey processing van has been launched at village Sirora in Ghaziabad, Uttar Pradesh on January 7, 2022 by KVIC. Second key point, the van was inaugurated by Vinay Kumar Saxena, Chairman of Khadi and Village Industries Commission KVIC. Third current affairs, MEA inks pact with TCS for phase second of passport seva program. Key point, the Ministry of External Affairs MEA has signed an agreement Tata Consultancy Services Limited TCS for the second phase of the passport seva program PSP-V2. Fourth, NSO projects Indian economy to grow 9.2 in FY22. Key point, the National Statistical Office NSO has estimated India's GDP to grow at 9.2% in the current fiscal 2021-22. NSO released its first advanced estimates of economy outputs on January 7, 2022. Fifth, SBI General Insurance launches awareness campaign on tax saving Bahane Chodo Tax Bachao. Key point number 1. The SBI General Insurance has launched an awareness campaign titled Bahane Chodo Tax Bachao. The campaign aims to increase awareness on how people can save tax by buying health insurance. Sixth, India participates in US Lead Six Nations exercise Sea Dragon 22. Key point number 1. Six Indo-Pacific nations are taking part in the multinational exercise Sea Dragon 22, which began on January 5, 2022 at Anderson Air Force Base in Guam in the Western Pacific. Second key point, the six nations navies that are participating in the exercise are the Quad nations: United States, Australia, India and Japan, Canada and South Korea. Seventh, OPEC elects Kuwait's Haitham Al Ghaz as new Secretary General. Key point number 1. The Organization of the Petroleum Exporting Countries OPEC has voted to appoint Haitham Al Ghaz as its new Secretary General. Haitham Al Ghaz, a Kuwaiti candidate, will take charge from August 1st, 2022 from a period of 3 years. 8th, MD as CEO of CSB Bank CVR Rajendra announced early retirement on health grounds. Key point number 1. CVR Rajendra and Managing Director as Chief Executive Officer of CSB Bank has announced to take early retirement on health grounds. Ninth, book titled Mamta Beyond 2021 to release on January 24, 2022. Key point: a new book titled Mamata Beyond 2021 was based on West Bengal CM and Trinamool Congress Supremo Mamata Banerjee will be released on January 24, 2022. 10th, Sidney Poitier, first black actor to win Best Actor Oscar award, passes away at 94. Veteran Bahamian American actor Sidney Poitier, who created history by becoming the first black man to win the Best Actor award at the Oscar, has passed away. He was 94. Poitier won the Academy Award for Best Lead Performance in 1964 for his film Lilies of the Field. Here comes the current affairs of 10 January 2022. First current affair. First ever set up India Innovation Week to be held from January 10 to 16, 2022. The first ever set up India Innovation Week is planned to be held from January 10 to 16, 2022 through virtual platform as a part of Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav to commemorate the 75th year of India's independence. Second, PM declares 26 December to be observed as Veer Bal Divas annually. First key point, Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi has declared that starting from the year 2022, December 26 will be observed as Veer Bal Divas every year. The day will be commemorated as a tribute to the courage of the four Sahibjades, the four sons of Guru Gobind Singh Ji, who attained martyrdom in the 17th century. Third, NASA successfully completes development of James Webb Space Telescope. The NASA Trump successfully completed the development of 21st foot gold coated primary mirror panel of the James Webb Space Telescope JWST on January 8, 2022. Fourth, Forex reserves declined by USD 1.466 billion to USD 633.614 billion RBI data. Key point, as per the latest Reserve Bank of India RBI data, the foreign currency reserve of declined 1.466 billion dollar to 633.614 billion in the last week of 2021 ended 31 December 2021. Fifth, India's real GDP projected to grow at around 9.5% in FY22. SBI EcoRap. First key point, the economic research arm of the State Bank of India SBI released its EcoRap report on January 8, 2022. Second key point, in the report SBI researchers have revised upwards the real GDP of India to around 9.5% in 2021-22 FY22 on a year-on-year YoY. Sixth, Reliance acquires controlling stake of 73.37% in New York Meridian Oriental Hostel for around $270 MN. Key point 1. Reliance Industries Limited RIL has announced the acquisition of controlling stake in Mandarin Oriental New York, a premium luxury hotel in Midtown Manhattan. 7th, Center extends Navrang Saini's term as interim chief of IBBI for 3 months. The center has extended the tenure of Navrang Saini as interim chairperson of Insolvency and Bankruptcy Board of India (IBBI) for 3 months till March 5, 2022. 8. Gandhi assessing the making of Nathuram Godse and his idea of India by Dhirendra K. Jha. First key point. A new book titled Gandhi Assassin: The Making of Nathuram Godse and His Idea of India has been released on January 4, 2022. Second key point. The book has been authorized by a Delhi-based journalist, Dhirendra K. Jha, under Vintage Books publication. Ninth, the last current affairs. World Hindi Day, 10 January. The World Hindi Day is celebrated on 10 January since 2006 to promote the language at the global stage. Thank you guys for watching this video. Like the video, share the video as much as possible. Subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for new updates. And please tell me in the comment section how was the video. Thank you guys.